Whoa! The seats came today. We're gonna install those seats. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna make a platform. I am gonna show you my entire list that I'm Ryan, I've been hacking things my whole life. I'm gonna show you the entire list of the things I have to do. The seats are one of those things. In order to get this car on the road, I'm gonna tell you a really cool thing that I'm gonna do with the car. I've decided all this today on the hackLAB. Oh man, this car has been fun. Byron has an idea here that we're going to put the seats right here. And so your idea is, what is it, Byron?
We're just going to put a strip of wood on edge right in this piece right here. And then we'll attach a piece of plywood across both to this vertical piece. So they'll have a horizontal piece of plywood, put the seats on the horizontal plywood, and we're good to go. At the front and the back, that should be pretty straight.
All right, that's good. So we're going to go through the sign grade?
Well, if we were using like some 1x material, that might be easier to drill the hole.
So I mean, we could is that enough wood?
That would be plenty.
All right, so this wood that's holding up my whole bench over there, we're gonna swap this wood out for that wood. And Byron also told me he'd help me build a bench, by the way. So these used to have wire tubing seats that were on the top that rotted out. You can see that in the first video when we cleaned it up. These were still working and they're pretty solid. However, the poles of the seats were rotted out. So we kept the hardware because, believe it or not, a track for each seat could be up to $100 if you bought an older one. So today we're gonna build the two pieces of wood that Byron mentioned and a plywood. And probably won't be able to paint the wood, but maybe we could see if we can get these seats installed. I have the pieces cut like Byron had mentioned here, but one of the things gonna have trouble with is fitting this piece of guide rail into this tight groove. So what I'm gonna do, in order to fit this piece into there, it's about an 1/8 inch shy, is I'm gonna route out a section that's probably about half the distance up on the router. You can do it. Or, yeah, I'll do it. So that's going to go on the outside.
That goes on the outside?
Yeah, so we want
I think I need a bigger bit.
You sure? I was hoping it'd be snug. All right, I'll get a bigger bit. Is it bigger? I have guessed.
Might be the same size.
No, it's bigger. I can tell.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh, wait a second. I just thought I gave you this one. Hold on a second. This was the bigger one. I don't know what happened with your switchover. You took it out and put the same one back. So the seats, come on. So the seats are completely secured. I have a bolt underneath the platform and they still slide back and forth using the existing metal. It looked like a drawer rail, I don't know. Anyways, here's the list that we have to do to get the car done. Obviously, the car was, I acquired the car, I got the car, I cleaned the car, and I got the tires off. And down here, I ordered the seats and installed the seats. The seats were the Smitty seats. They were $260, much more expensive if you got ones that recline. But anyways, all said and done with a lot of the cabling that I'm gonna need for the future electricity and things like that. Things are looking great. I'm into the car a total of $500 right now, which is a little bit more than I thought. But we're talking about tires, tubes, electrical components, tons of things like that. And the last car that I saw that sold on eBay was around $7,000 to $8,000. So I'm going to keep this car. So the big, huge thing that I wanted to tell you, it's big to me, is that I am going to eventually try to make this car a photo booth. That way I can rent it out or I can donate it to charity and stuff like that. And it'll be a really cool, fun 70s experience for someone to get in with a disco ball and take photos and props and stuff like that. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. I'm going to make another video that I have tons more progress made today, kind of giving you an update, and that'll be the 5th video in the series. You know, I did one where I removed a tire. I'll link all the videos in the playlist below. But anyways, thanks. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. And also I have some cool laser cutting videos and 3D printing videos up about this car, about making 3D printed parts for automotive, and then also laser cutting. I've already laser cut a couple different parts that I will show you in the next episode. Thanks for being here, guys. Love you. I appreciate you sticking this out and being my fan. I hope you're doing okay. Love you. Take care.